determine the value of 2ab. A and B are real numbers satisfying this pair of simultaneous equations. This video contains the following sections: reading the problem carefully and understanding it, developing a plan to solve it, solving the problem, thinking about it further and try to apply the approach to other problems. Near the end of the video, there's an additional question which can be solved using a similar approach to that used for solving the specific problem. If you find these helpful, please subscribe to the channel for notification of new videos by pressing the video watermark in the right-hand corner of the video player. Real numbers A and B satisfy a quartic equation and a quadratic equation. Evaluate the value of 2ab. We don't have to solve the equations to answer the question. There are many ways to simplify the given equations to determine the value of 2ab. For example, they can be simplified by squaring both sides of the quadratic equation and then substitute the quartic equation in the simplified quadratic equation, or by dividing both sides of the quartic equation by the quadratic equation and then subtract the resulting quadratic equation from the original quadratic equation, because x plus y plus z all squared will be written as x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So by squaring both sides of equation 2, we have a to the power of 4 plus a squared b squared plus b to the power of 4 plus 2a cubed b plus 2ab cubed plus 2a squared b squared equals 2025. Now substitute equation 1 in equation 3. We then have 900 plus 2a cubed b plus 2ab cubed plus 2a squared b squared equals 2025. So 2a cubed b plus 2ab cubed plus 2a squared b squared equals 2025 minus 900. By simplifying the equation, we have 2ab times a squared plus b squared plus ab equals 1,125 by substituting equation 2 in equation 4. We have 2ab times 45 equals 1,125. By rearranging the equation, we have 2ab equals 1,125 over 45, which is 25. Now we have an alternative method. Divide both sides of equation 1 by equation 2. We then have a squared minus ab plus b squared equals 20. Equation 2 minus equation 3. We then have 2ab equals 25. Think about the thought process for the previous question further and try to apply the approach to other problems, such as this one. Determine the value of mn. N and n are real numbers satisfying the following pair of simultaneous equations. You can write your answers in the comments section if you like. If you have any mathematics questions of interest, you can write these in the comments section if you like. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. See you next time.